In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video on Kajabi. We'll start by grabbing the embed code from your video host. Open your video on YouTube, Vimeo, or any platform that provides embed code. Look for the Share button, then choose Embed. A box will appear with some HTML code. That code is exactly what Kajabi needs, so go ahead and copy it. If you notice options in that embed window, like showing player controls or adjusting the size, those settings usually carry over with the code, so choose what suits your page before copying. Next, head over to your Kajabi dashboard. From the main sidebar, navigate to Website, then Pages. This is where all your site and landing pages live. Pick the page where you'd like the video to appear. When you open the page, you'll be taken into the page editor. Now, adding the video depends slightly on which page builder your page is using. If your page uses Kajabi's newer page builder, look for the Add Section button. Click it and select Video or Video Embed, depending on what you see in your theme. Both options lead you to a block that can accept embed code. If your page uses a legacy Premiere template, you'll also click Add Section, then choose Video Embed. The naming may vary a little by theme, but you're always looking for a section or block that clearly mentions an embed option. With the section added, you'll see a settings panel for that block. Find the field labeled Embed Code. Paste the code you copied from YouTube or Vimeo into that field. As soon as you paste, Kajabi should render a live preview of your video inside the editor, which is a quick way to confirm everything looks right. If you copied a plain link by mistake instead of the embed code, you'll know because the preview won't load. Just go back to your video host and copy the proper embed snippet. At this point, your video is placed on the page. To make your changes live, click Save and then Publish if your theme or page requires it. Saving ensures your edit is stored, while publishing pushes it to your live site. Once published, view the page on your site to confirm playback. Kajabi's templates typically handle responsiveness automatically, so your video should resize nicely on mobile and desktop. If anything looks off, revisit the section in the editor and review the embed settings you chose on your video host. That's it. You've successfully embedded a video on Kajabi.